Facility management comes with the maintenance of hardware, like fire doors or locking systems. And to maintain the hardware, you need to depend on the ground worker to visit in person and provide the correct information and status updates so that you can take the right decisions. However, in most cases, the hardware is installed underground with no or minimum network coverage. Also, a manual update of the status of the hardware comes with its own cost of efficiency and credibility. We at DreamsTech has created an end-to-end blockchain-based solution for the maintenance of fire doors and checking of locking systems to overcome these issues for one of our esteemed clients. The solution comes with a web panel for asset maintenance, while the ground workers can use the app to scan and test the equipment and update status based on M2M directives. The web panel of the solution is fully integrated with our facility management system, and if required, can be integrated using REST APIs to other platforms as well. Our client can now track all their assets through the web panel, and work orders from their facility management platform is automatically synced with the asset. And once the work orders are received, our client distributes the work orders among their subcontractors or ground workers with all the details necessary, just by a single click. Once the details are shared, the ground workers receive the details through our app. The app provides them with basic information for the work order, device information, testing criteria, and also the client information and location to visit. And once they are in location, they can scan the device and individual equipment using our app and get the details directly from the machine based on M2M communication. They can also take pictures or videos right from the app to verify the damage or issue with the device. The app even works offline, so it doesn't matter where the device is located, the ground workers can finish the routine tasks, collect the data, and when they come back within the range of good network, the app sync all data with the server. Finally, all the collected data are stored in our blockchain network. This ensures that the collected data are immutable, so that no one can tamper with it manually. Our client can now monitor the status of the service from ground workers directly, and can take better decisions based on the details received. Contact us today if you have similar services to offer, and leverage the true potential of today's cutting-edge technologies, like blockchain, light mobile apps, and cloud-based solutions, and give your business the extra edge it needs over your competitors.